Hello guys, welcome back to Teach Me Cloud. I am Manjit Raut, your online instructor. So guys, this is another video related to the Mac operating system, and in this video I am planning to describe how we can share our data from our Windows operating system to Mac and Mac operating system to Windows. So I'm just going to describe my setup first. So this is our Mac operating system, and I have already taken the RDP of our Windows 10 operating system. So I'm just going to describe you how we can share the data from Windows and access by using Mac operating system, and vice versa. We'll also share the data from Mac operating system and try to access with the help of our Windows operating system. So let's start practical. First of all, I'm planning to share the data from our Windows operating system and access by using our Mac operating system. So what we need to do, we just need to open our Windows operating system and just create a one folder. So I'm just going to create a folder over a Windows OS. So this is the folder name is class, and I'm just going to put some data here. Like I'm just going to put our existing data. Like this is my existing data. I'm just going to paste here and just right click on the folder that you plan to share with Mac operating system. Just right click on the folder, go to the properties and click sharing, and we just need to click on the advanced sharing. And when we just click advanced sharing, we have option to check mark the share this folder. Go to the permissions, so you can decide your permission as per your requirement, like you are planning to share this data only for the read purpose. If you want to provide entire access, you just need to click on the full control, click apply and just click OK again. So this is the basic step to share data from your Windows operating system. Next, how we can access our data that you shared from Windows OS from just access from the Mac operating system. But before accessing, you need to collect some information of your Windows operating system, like as IP address. So you just need to open the DOS command and type ipconfig to get your Windows operating system IP address. So this is the 192.168.0.105, and you must know about the user ID and password of your Windows. So you just collect the information like this. First is IP address of Windows operating system, IP address of Windows machine, second username, and third password. So you need to collect these information and go to the Mac operating system and see, this is our Mac operating system. You just need to click on the go icon. See, this is the option which is highlighted on the desktop. You just need to click on the go and see, connect to the server. You need to select the last option which is available in the property of go, click connect, and you need to provide the IP address 192.168.0.105. This is the IP address of our Windows operating system. So I'm just going to type 192.168.0.105. This is the IP address, and our username is MANNAN. Okay, and password that you configure on your Windows OS. So just need to click and click connect. Now try to connect with your Windows operating system. It will be give you option to provide user ID and password. So type the username, it's Manan, and password that you configure. Just type the password and click connect again. Okay, now you successfully connected with our Windows operating system. So this is the first folder which is located in the box. So you just need to open it. Just double click here. Okay, you are able to see your folder that you share from your Windows operating system. So what you need to do, just double click here, and you will be get the entire information that you share. You will be get the entire data that you shared from your Windows. So this is the way to share data from your Windows operating system and access with the help of Mac OS. So vice versa, what's our next plan? I'm just planning to share the data from our Mac operating system and try to access the same data with the help of Windows operating system. So what we need to do, so to share your data, what we need to do, just click on the Apple icon and go to the system preferences. And as we discussed, in our previous videos, the system preferences is the type of control panel, you can say that. Like as in case of Windows operating system, we know that we have a control panel where we can just perform the lot of tasks related to the operating system. So like that, in the Mac operating system, you can compare your Windows control panel as a system preferences in Mac OS. So in the in the system preferences property, we have a one option called sharing. So just click on the sharing and you have a multiple option which is located in the left panel. So this is the location that describe the location of your existing file, and you can also just select your data that you're planning to share with Windows or any operating system. So I'm just going to share one folder which is available in our window in our desktop, like as I'm just planning to share lot of folders are available. So I'm planning to share folder of Azure content. So this is the folder that I'm planning to share with our Windows operating system. So what we need to do? So first of all, I'm just going to make it blank that you understand properly. So these are the option which is available that you have option to share with your any operating system. Like you can share your screen, file sharing, printer sharing, remote login, remote management, remote Apple events, internet sharing, Bluetooth sharing, and content sharing. So here I'm just going to describe how to share the folder from your Mac operating system and try to access from our Windows OS. So just select the file, and this is the plus icon. You need to just click on the plus icon and choose the location of your folder. So we are planning to share Azure content. So you just need to search and select your folder that you plan to share with Windows operating system. So here I'm just going to choose my folder Azure post Azure content. Okay, just click on add. The first icon related to the share folder, second icon related to the user, means which user is responsible to access this folder, and last one option is related to the policy, which policy you want to provide, like you can just read only, write only, or you just click on the both. So I'm just going to proceed with the user Manjeet Rawat and just select the full permission, read and write, no need to do anything, just click on close. Another option, like as a Windows operating system, you need to confirm your IP address. So type ifconfig to get your IP address. So when you execute this command on terminal, it will give you the information related to your IP address. So what we need to do, we just need to verify your Mac operating system IP address. So this is our IP address 192.168.0.104. So next, open your Windows operating system, open run, just the Windows plus R double slash and 192.168.0.104 and click OK. So once you just click, you need to provide username and password. So our username is MANJEET Rawat, and type the password that you configure for Windows Mac operating system and click connect. Now you are able to see this is the folder that you shared from your Windows Mac operating system. You just need to double click and get the entire information of folder data. So this is the procedure if you want to verify. So this is the folder data which is available in our Mac operating system after accessing over a Windows operating system. So you are able to see here as well. You can also copy and paste because you provided a full permission with your data sharing. So I hope you I hope you understand about the entire step related to the data sharing between our Mac operating system to Windows and Windows to Mac. So guys, if you like the video, please share and subscribe my channel for latest update on Mac operating system, Windows Server 2012, 2016, or Microsoft Azure and Amazon Web Services. So guys, happy learning. Thank you so much. We'll meet soon with new video. Thank you.